Alright, I know this is really saying something, but I think this might be the most ghetto packaging I've ever seen from a seller on eBay. All that I've done so far is rip off the shipping label there on the top, and yeah, you can see right there. You can pretty much see right into the package. You can see straight through it. Over here, hello. Let's see what the damage is here. Never a good sign when the box opens 3 directions, and it looks like they attempted to put the item itself into a second box. This one here is completely just destroyed. Alright, so here is the secondary box, and it is encased in pillow stuffing. And you can see, of course, here on the corner there, completely destroyed. This was an old laptop. Old retro laptop. You can see the chunks of plastic there.